Use a pumpkin mold to shape a stylish bathroom basin. Mold concrete inside an umbrella to craft a modern sink. Stack painted tires to create a colorful tiered flower planter. Transform an old laundry basket into a vibrant succulent planter. Handcraft a rustic wooden organizer for toilet paper storage needs. Repurpose a wooden pallet into an organized kitchen storage rack. Build a cozy tiny house using old tires and mud. Craft a rustic garden table featuring a detailed leaf design. Build a stunning backyard fish pond using stones and plants.